Babe, 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 babe. Sorry. Such a beautiful weather. I am so happy. I'm so excited. I feel positive vibes here. Oh God. Just look at the sky. The mountains up there. That's a mountain. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. And this street. Just look at the street. It's so serene and beautiful. Yes guys, serene is my word. Everything that is calm and cool is serene. So now we're going to take Malang to the we're taking Malang to the Spielplatz, to the playground. There's another playground that is deep there on the other side of the town, and there's a river that passes by, and it's a bit bigger and has more things to offer, and it's really cool. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you last time, but that's where we are going. Look at this hotel. Like the different types of hotels in this area. Such a beautiful hotel. I can't really zoom in, but yeah, looks like an old building. That's like a street. Titi. Really, surely and slowly things are opening back up. Oh, babe. Feuerwehr auto. Fire car. What is it called? What is it called? Fire car. Fire ambulance. Firefighter's car. Fire ambulance. What happened? And you see it's like blue. It's like it has the blue side. I said fire ambulance. Firefighter's car. That's how bad my English has gotten. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful day. Oh, look, Papa. A horse. Oi. Malang fed.
It's a horse. It's your horse. Your horse, normally. It's your horse.
Oh my God. But the horse cannot jump up. Huh? The horse. Hi, and it's so beautiful. Mashallah. Hi, Hossie. Babe. Sorry. Babe. So we're here at the car where people can buy cars, and because we need a car and we have seen maybe a potential car. It's so cute and small. So we're waiting for the guy to come and tell us more about the car and see whether we want to take it or not. Yeah, so let's see. So they've already planted the Christmas trees. So there's the mountain with a little snow. Such a beautiful view. Oh, such beautiful weather. Surrounded by mountains. Truck is coming. So we're headed closer and closer to the mountains. So we asked about the car, and yeah, so no, we just opted out. We're just going to continue searching. It's empty. It's super empty. We are the only ones with one little girl. But this is, yeah, there's like a chair, a bench over here with a table if you want to picnic. And there's like a volleyball. Is it a badminton or a volleyball? I think it's a volleyball pitch. And over there you can see the children are playing basketball. And there is like, they can skate. It's like a skater park. And there's like a cage and they can play football. This is my, my view. So that car was really cute. It was the blue car, the Volkswagen Polo. It was so cute, and they were selling it for $999. And yeah, but the thing is, we have to take it to for inspection in October, this October. So like barely 4 months, 5 months, and that doesn't really. Es rentiert sich nicht. It doesn't really, what do I say it in English? It doesn't really, I don't know how to say it in English. So we just thought, let's just leave it and buy another one that at least will take 2 years for us to take it for inspection. So that's why we left it. Yeah. So let's play. I'm scared. Oh my god. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Go.
Oh my god, I don't know if I can do it.
You can go.
I don't know if I can do it.
Because? You are not going?
I'm scared.
Yeah, okay, then calm down.
But you know what? I'd come and back and fall down.
We are here.
Yeah.
No.
Not with the energy I'll come with. I knew baby so scary.
Yeah, if you come, you have to control your hair.
It cannot.
Of course.
That was scary. I don't like such things. I don't like slides. I don't like water parks. I don't like any of these things. Oh, maybe because our childhood we never really did this, or we never had such things. Or in my childhood, let me not talk about anybody else. So, oh my gosh, I was so scared. But I said like, why not? Let me do it because like there's nobody else here who can see me falling. So let's now, play with baby. What? What? Mashallah. Shoo, I could never. I could never do that. It's called commando training. I can never even from the first one to the second one. I can't. Let me try the commando training. Ah! Yeah. I can't. We are going back home. Look at this beautiful scenery. Like, please tell me. Just could even cry. Like, look at this beautiful scenery. Phew. Honey, God is great. We're now going back home because he is a bit cranky and he's crying the whole time. To say the truth, it's his nap time. So we're just going to go back home and for him to be able to nap. Yeah, so that's the end of our adventure. Yeah, we're going to just go home. I put him down for a nap and after I can cook. Yeah. This is another beautiful street. It's like kind of a lake with trees on both sides. Ah, okay.
You know this place? Small dog.
It's giving me a holiday vibe, like holiday vibe. Relax, put your legs up and just unwind.